Hey there, crypto explorers. I hope you're doing great. Today, we're going to dive into a super interesting topic that could really change the way you look at your cryptocurrency investments. Have you ever needed cash, euros or dollars, for example, but absolutely didn't want to sell your Bitcoin or Ethereum? Afraid of missing the next bull run or triggering capital gains taxes? Well, good news, there's a solution, and it's called Nexo. In this video, I'll show you how to borrow money using your crypto as collateral without ever selling it. Stick around until the end, because it's going to be simple, fast, and incredibly useful. So before we get into the details, what exactly is Nexo? Imagine a modern, innovative financial platform, kind of like a bank but specialized in digital assets. Nexo was founded in 2017 by Antony Trenchev and Kosta Konchev. It's a platform that not only lets you earn interest on your crypto, but more importantly for today's topic, it allows you to borrow money by using your digital assets as collateral. It quickly became one of the leading platforms in Europe, with millions of users worldwide and billions of dollars under management. The superpower. Why borrow against your crypto? That's the million-dollar question. The classic scenario. Your crypto goes up in value, you're happy. But if you face an unexpected expense, a project, or another investment opportunity, what do? If you sell your crypto, you realize a capital gain and the tax authorities show up. Plus, you lose ownership of your assets and risk missing out on future gains. Nexo's superpower is letting you access liquidity, euros, dollars, or stablecoins without touching your precious crypto. You pledge it as collateral, but you still own it. It's a tax-efficient way to access cash. Incredible, right? How it works step by step. It's way easier than it sounds. Here's the recipe. Step 1. Deposit your crypto on Nexo. Whether you have Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, USDT, Litecoin, LTC, or others, just transfer them into your Nexo wallet. It's quick and straightforward. Step 2. Get your loan instantly. Once your crypto is deposited, Nexo automatically calculates how much you can borrow. This is called the LTV, loan-to-value ratio. It's a percentage of your collateral's value. Example, if Bitcoin's LTV is 50%, then for 100 euros worth of Bitcoin as collateral, you can borrow 50 euros. LTVs range from 15% to 90% depending on the asset. The money becomes available within minutes, straight to your bank account or via the Nexo Card. No complicated credit checks like with traditional banks. Step 3. Repay at your own pace. Unlike traditional loans, there's no fixed repayment schedule. You can repay whenever you like, partially or in full, without penalties. Flexibility rules here. How much does it cost? The secret behind the rates? Nexo's loan interest rates vary from 0% to about 13.9% per year. But how do you get the best rates? That's where the Nexo Loyalty Program comes in. Nexo rewards its most loyal users, those holding a certain percentage of its native token, the Nexo token, in their wallet. There are 4 tiers: base, silver, gold, and platinum. The higher your status, the lower your borrowing rates. Platinum users can even get 0% interest loans under certain LTV conditions. It's a smart way to optimize your costs. Security and volatility. Sleep soundly. The crypto market is known for its roller coaster rides, but Nexo has thought of everything to keep you safe. Real-time monitoring. Nexo constantly tracks your loan's LTV. If your collateral's value drops and your LTV rises above 70%, you'll get SMS and email alerts advising you to repay part of your loan or add more crypto. Automatic protection. If LTV keeps climbing above 80%, Nexo can automatically add other assets from your wallet as collateral or sell a small portion of your collateral to stabilize the loan. The goal is to avoid a full liquidation of your assets. Robust security. Nexo uses cold storage systems to secure funds and partners with trusted names like BitGo and Ledger Vault, providing up to $375 million in insurance coverage against hacks or theft. Plus, their assets and liabilities are audited in real time by independent accounting firm Armanino. If you want to start your Nexo journey, the referral link in the description gives you $25 in Bitcoin, plus the ability to earn interest on the total value of my portfolio. Now's the perfect time to optimize your crypto finances. To sum it up, borrowing with your crypto on Nexo means instant access to cash without selling your assets. Potential tax advantages. No sale equals no taxable capital gain. No credit checks. Flexible repayment at your own pace. Competitive interest rates, especially with the loyalty program. Strong security and protection against market volatility. Things to watch out for, stay alert. Like with any financial service or investment, there are things to consider. Volatility. The crypto market is unpredictable. Even with Nexo's protections, a sharp drop might require action on your part. Centralized platform. When your crypto is on Nexo, you don't hold the private keys. It's a centralized service. That's an inherent risk. Regulation. Crypto regulations are constantly evolving. Nexo operates in many countries, but for example, it's not registered as a PSAN in France. In 2023, Nexo settled with U.S. authorities and paid $45 million for offering an unauthorized product. And there you go. You now have all the keys to understand how to borrow money using your crypto as collateral on Nexo. It's a powerful solution for anyone wanting to maximize the flexibility of their digital assets. If you're ready to take action, Nexo offers a rewarding referral program. By signing up using the link right below this video, not only can you earn $25 in Bitcoin, but you can also start benefiting from interest on my entire portfolio. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, a big thumbs up would make the algorithm happy. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos on the fascinating world of crypto, and share this with a friend who has crypto but doesn't want to sell it.